Okay, Lisa was so interested in this machine, so let's take a look what they have. Okay, on the top, you can barely see they have some more hot dogs. But here also, second row from the right, hot dogs, dried sausage for cooking, and sausage for, well, bratwurst. The bloods on the left, next row, blood sausage, homemade salami, deer salami, male deer. What is Lizzie? Tuki. On the left, you then have lard with pork rinds, ham, the red one. On the right, you have homemade sunflower oil, and then two kinds of yogurt, homemade yogurt, and then also on the bottom more yogurt. Lizzie, tam ne poznamo nobenega. Pridi sem. Pejď sem. To je kmetija Tome. And the prices are from 5 euros, 10 euros for the salami, and yogurt on the bottom is 90 cents, 1.7. Yeah. For homemade products, let's say reasonable prices.